Hello friends, welcome to Steno Aspirants. Let's start the dictation in 5 seconds. Swachh Bharat Abhiyan is one of the most significant and popular missions to have taken place in India. Swachh Bharat Abhiyan translates to Clean India Mission. This drive was formulated to cover all the cities and towns of India to make them clean. This campaign was administered by the Indian government and was introduced by the Prime Minister Narendra Modi. It was launched on 2nd October in order to honor Mahatma Gandhi's vision of a clean India. The cleanliness campaign of Swachh Bharat Abhiyan was run on a national level and encompassed all the towns, rural and urban. It served as a great initiative in making people aware of the importance of cleanliness. Swachh Bharat Abhiyan set a lot of objectives to achieve so that India could become cleaner and better. In addition, it not only appealed the sweepers and workers but all the citizens of the country. This helped in making the message reach wider. It aims to build sanitary facilities for all households. One of the most common problems in rural areas is that of open defecation. Swachh Bharat Abhiyan aims to eliminate that. Moreover, the Indian government intends to offer all the citizens with hand pumps, proper drainage system, bathing facility and more. This will promote cleanliness amongst citizens. Similarly, they also wanted to make people aware of health and education through awareness programs. After that, a major objective was to teach citizens to dispose of waste mindfully. India is in dire need of a cleanliness drive like Swachh Bharat Abhiyan to eradicate dirtiness. It is important for the overall development of citizens in terms of health and well-being. As the majority of the population of India lives in rural areas, it is a big problem. Generally, in these areas, people do not have proper toilet facilities. They go out in the fields or roads to excrete. This practice creates a lot of hygiene problems for citizens. Therefore, this Clean India mission can be of great help in enhancing the living conditions of these people. In other words, Swachh Bharat Abhiyan will help in proper waste management as well. When we will dispose of waste properly and recycle waste, it will develop the country. As its main focus is one rural area, the quality of life of the rural citizens will be enhanced through it. Most importantly, it enhances the public health through its objectives. India is one of the dirtiest countries in the world and can change the scenario. Therefore, India needs a cleanliness drive like Swachh Bharat Abhiyan to achieve this. In short, Swachh Bharat Abhiyan is a great start to make India cleaner and greener. If all the citizens could come together and participate in this drive, India will soon flourish. Moreover, when the hygienic conditions of India will improve, all of us will benefit equally. India will have more tourists visiting it every year and will create a happy and clean environment for the citizens. Stop. इसका एक्सप्लेनेशन अब नेक्स्ट वीडियो में होगा. थैंक यू.